Kia ora whānau. Today I'm going to show you a bit of a growing tip. So today we're going to focus on companion planting. Now, long story short, with companion planting, it's planting 2 or 3 different types of veggies that grow really well together and that won't overtake each other, but they'll also provide each other the energy and nutrients to both thrive. So in this setting here, we've got a lovely, nice capsicum, and what we've done is we've also planted basil in between the capsicum. So what we know about basil is obviously they're a herb, and capsicums are used for salads and in stir fries, etc. But they grow really well together because capsicums grow quite tall and bushy. Where the basil, as you keep picking it, instead of getting taller, it'll become more of a run. So you'll have one that grows higher and one that will be more of a ground cover. But these two are a really good plant to grow together. Also, commonly planted with basil would be lettuces and silver beets as well. That's a growing tip of the day, whānau.